Morning, Mike Oaks of Rockaway. We're down here at the beautiful Seascape. Down here we're doing a lot of revamping in the front entry. The design team came up with a cool design. We're adding some greenery. We have the coquina, boulders, Colorado River Jack, the brown pea gravel. This is going to be for the seating area. So what we did was we added a couple boulders, give the softscape a little hardscape mixed in. What we're going to be doing after the fact is adding in the Colorado River Jack. We're going to do like a 2-inch layer throughout, just kind of keep our deep edge, that way nothing spills over onto the walkways or out onto the road, and it still gives you the wow factor. We have some blue daze, we have fountain grass, and we have oyster plants. We're going to put drip irrigation throughout everything to make sure we get proper water coverage on all the plants. Where all the real live action's happening is out where we're installing all the pavers right now. They had existing pavers underneath the dry port. So what we're doing is just making it a welcome area out to the parking lot. So instead of having to walk all the way around this giant half moon, you literally can walk right through and you're going to be able to enjoy everything that we put out here. So we're currently doing the pavers. We did some small retaining walls around all of the palm trees. There's a lot of rock mulch. Pavers are now completed, all cut in. We're getting the greenery in, just kind of help soften all the hardscape. We have lots of rocks spattered throughout. Yeah, the last couple of days of the project, really just trying to tighten up everything, get the lighting wire ran, all the drip irrigations run. Again, just trying to tighten up everything to make sure everything's looking really good. So if you want to see it in person, we're down in here in South Jacksonville Beach. Check it out, Seascape condominiums. It's a giant S building. It's pretty dope. So yeah, and come check out the work that we've done. So anything that you need, carpentry, landscape, maintenance, water features, hardscape, softscape, anything you need, give us a shout and we'll figure it out.